principle is think in solutions, don't think in problems. The philosophy is to make things better every day with a lot of hard blood. The first reaction is, oh, it looks different, and oh, how can I handle this? 4 spindles in one machine, oops. It's more efficient, less space, less energy, and less cost per part. That's what we call efficiency is 4 in 1. How can you drive efficiency further? We combine not only the machine, but how you apply the machine. So you design it to be optimized for its use. We are technology people, people who love to work with machines, with tools and processes. In the technical world, you have to provide a lot of data and sometimes to show me, because the convincing process happens within the person you talk to. Once a customer has made a step away from a single spindle machine, he cannot wait to get it to a 4 spindle machine. Whether you're in Asia, or in America, or in Europe, it's always the same. Going with a different process makes a customer more successful than he was before. The efficiency is 4 in 1 is not a slogan, it's a reality.